Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by Food Corporation of India Limited. So friends, they have released the zone-wise recruitment of management trainee or managers in Food Corporation. So let's start the video. Friends, FCI has released vacancy for manager post in various domain. But for this video, we will put our focus on only on accounts. Friends, first we will discuss about North Zone vacancy. Here manager accounts, that is postcode is D. Here the pay grade is 40,000 to 1,40,000. It's an initial basic pay and the age limit required as on 1st August 2022 is 28 years. So do keep this in mind. By this date, that is 1st August, you should be less than 28 years, then only you are eligible to apply. Here the total number of vacancies are 14. Out of that, 6 are for unreserved category candidates and rest are for reserved category candidates. Then in South Zone for manager accounts, the total 2 vacancies are there and both are for reserved category candidates. So do keep this in mind. Then under West Zone for manager accounts, total 5 vacancies are there, and other qualification, that is other requirements like age limit and pay scales are same. It's just the zones are different. So total 5 vacancies are there and all are for reserved category candidates. Then for East Zone under manager accounts, total 10 vacancies are there and all are for reserved category candidates. And under Northeast Zone manager accounts, total 4 vacancies are there. One is for unreserved, rest are all for reserved category candidates. Now let's talk about important one, qualification and experience required as on 1st August 2022. So 1st August is your cutoff date for all your age criteria as well as for your qualification and experience. So for manager accounts, they have asked you should be an associate membership of either a CA institute or CMA institute or company secretary institute, or if you are not a CA, CMA, CS, you must be having a BCom degree from recognized university and postgraduate full-time MBA finance degree or diploma minimum 2 years recognized by UCG, then only you are eligible. So these conditions are simultaneously, like BCom is essential and apart from that you need to have either MBA or diploma with 2 years recognized by UCG, or if you are not having this, then you should have postgraduate part-time MBA finance degree or diploma not in nature of distance education of minimum 3 years. And even if you are not having this degree also, you should be a postgraduate MBA finance degree or diploma by distance education mode recognized by UCG. So either you should have full MBA or diploma of 2 years. If you're not having that, then postgraduate part-time MBA finance or diploma not in distance nature of 3 years. Then even if you're having not this, then postgraduate MBA finance degree or diploma by distance education, then you are eligible to apply. So it's really a good opportunity for my all finance friend, either a CA, CS, CWA or BCom having MBA degree or diploma, you are eligible to apply. And friends, you can apply for any one zone only, that is north, east, south, west or northeast as per the vacancy. Mode of application is online only. No hard copy is required to be sent. And if you are a departmental candidate, then upper age limit is 50 years. Now let's talk about the selection process. So friends, your selection will consist of online test, interview and training, and your online test will be in 2 phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Your phase 1 will be common for all the posts including manager accounts, and its pattern will be like this. Your English language 25 questions will be asked, marks will be 25, you will get 15 minutes to answer that. Then reasoning ability, again 25 questions of 25 marks. Then numerical aptitude 25 questions. Then general studies or current affairs questions, total 25 questions will be there. So like that, total 100 marks will be there and time allotted will be 60 minutes only. Your phase 1 test will be online and objective type questions, and each questions will carry 1 marks, and for every wrong answer 1/4 negative marking is there. And your marks obtained in phase 1 is just qualifying in nature and it will not be calculated or considered for final merit ranking. So do keep this in mind. Here your phase 2 marks will be more important for your merit list. Now those who qualify the phase 1, they will sit for phase 2 online examination. For manager accounts, you will have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Both paper will happen in the same days and in single sitting only. Now your paper 1 will be the common for everyone. It's like your non-technical, and your paper 1 will have 120 multiple choice questions. Each questions will have 1 marks and 90 minutes will be there. And your paper 2 will have 60 questions. Each questions will have 2 marks. So this your paper 2 is a technical syllabus questions. Here 60 marks will be allotted and there will not be any negative marking in phase 2. So that's really a good thing. So if I can just conclude, so if I can give you the summary of phase 2. So your phase 2 will have two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 will have 120 questions and each questions will have 1 marks and 90 minutes is given. Your paper 1 is a non-technical subject and your paper 2, it is related to your domain, that is your technical syllabus. Here 60 questions will be asked and each questions will have 2 marks. So your total duration will be 60 minutes. So for per question 1 minute is given, and we at the Finance MCQ will help you to prepare for your paper 2 for this examination. Again, they have mentioned the pattern of paper 1. Here they will ask the questions from English, reasoning, numerical aptitude, general studies or current affairs questions. And your paper 2, as I mentioned earlier, of 120 marks, for which 60 minutes will be given. It will be your technical syllabus, questions on general accounting and finance. That's really good thing that they have mentioned the syllabus also in the notification only. So for manager account, you will be asked basic accounting concept questions from books of accounts and accounting standards. Questions will be there from financial management. There they will ask analysis of financial management, budget and budgetary control, working capital management, capital budgeting, ratio analysis. Then from taxation, questions will be asked from income tax and GST. Then from auditing, audit concepts and methods, internal and external audits of the company. Then from commercial laws, questions will be asked like Contract Act, Companies Act, Sales of Goods, Negotiable Instrument Act, Consumer Protection, RTI, etc. Questions will be there. And the sixth one is from basic of computer. So basic knowledge about computer should be there, like operating system, browsers, email, etc. So this is a simple one. So basically your entire finance domain is covered in the syllabus. Now the training part. So friends, here selected candidate will undergo 6 months training and your training will have a weightage of 10% in your selection, and a consolidated stipend of rupees 40,000 will be paid per month, and on completion of 6 months you will be observed as manager with a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. You can download your call letter from the company's website once it is released by them. And apart from salary, you will be eligible for HRA, other allowances like dress allowance, lunch allowance, children education, entertainment, etc. to the tune of 32% of basic pay, and other benefits like medical benefits and all this will also be provided by the company. And friends, you need to execute a bond of rupees 1 lakh at the time of joining to serve a minimum period of 3 years. So 3-year service bond is required to serve in the company, and in case you leave the organization you have to pay 1 lakh rupees. And they have mentioned the state-wise examination center list. So almost entire India is covered by them. You can check the notification in the description. I will provide the link. Rest are all normal terms and conditions. So friends, it's really a good opportunity for all my friends who are meeting the eligibility criteria. You should definitely apply for these posts since it's a good pay scale and good opportunity to work in a government organization. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.